Hi friends, now I am taking Laplace transformation of multiplication by t power n. So this is the statement: if L of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then Laplace transformation of t power n into f of t is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. So let us take Laplace transformation definition. We know that L of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt, which is equal to f bar of s, which is called equation number 1. So let us consider f bar of s is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Which implies taking on both sides differentiation with respect to s, d by ds of f bar of s is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st dou by dou s of e power minus st f of t dt. So which implies, which is equal to integral 0 to infinity. So with respect to s, t is constant, the partial differentiation. So that means minus t into e power minus st into f of t dt. So which can be written as integral 0 to infinity e power minus st, minus can be written here t into f of t dt for our convenience. So which is in the form of original form of Laplace transformation of f of t, but here f of t is replaced by t. So this is minus L of t into f of t. So therefore L of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 into d by ds of f bar of s. So therefore which is true for n is equal to 1. By mathematical induction I can prove this property. So next, it can be true for n is equal to k, then it is also proved for n is equal to k plus 1. So which means, what is the original function? N is replaced by n power, n is equal to k. That means in this original form we should replace by n by k. Laplace transformation of t power k f of t is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of k d power k by ds power k f bar of s, which is true for n is equal to k. Now I am going to show by using mathematical induction, which is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. That is why I can apply the formula of Laplace transformation. I can take minus 1 whole to the power of k here, d power k by ds power k f bar of s, which can be written as Laplace transformation definition: integral 0 to infinity e power minus st t power k f of t dt. And again differentiate with respect to s one more time in this form, minus 1 whole to the power of k as it is. One more time means k plus 1 times by d power ds power k plus 1 f bar of s. Already k times are there. One more time. So integral 0 to infinity, again differentiation is going to be partial differentiation here. T power k as it is, f of t as it is, dou by d by ds goes to dou by dou s e power minus st dt, which can be modified here, integral 0 to infinity t power k f of t. So the simplification of this one, minus t into e power minus st dt. So already t is there, t power k is there. So bases are equal, powers are adding. Therefore, which is equal to integral, minus can be written here, e power minus t here, and t power k plus 1 into f of t dt for our convenience. So again we can apply the Laplace transformation for this formula, which is in the form of integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt, but f of t is replaced by t power k plus 1 into f of t. I can write here so what is the LHS? Minus 1 whole to the power of k d power k plus 1 by ds power k plus 1 f bar of s into minus of Laplace transformation of t power k plus 1 into f of t. So which is not true for n is equal to k plus 1. We need some modification. That modification is minus is this side goes to minus, or taking on both, multiplying on both sides, minus 1. Already minus 1 is minus 1 whole to the power of k is there. Again we have to minus, so minus one more time k plus 1 d power k plus 1 by ds power k plus 1. This is no change, f bar of s is equal to Laplace transformation of t power k plus 1 into f of t. So what we have taken, it can be true for n is equal to k. It can be true for n is equal to k. But final conclusion, by mathematical induction we have to prove it is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. See here, minus 1 whole to the power of k plus 1 d power k plus 1 by ds power k plus 1 f bar of s is equal to Laplace transformation of t power k plus 1 into f of t. See the original function. So n is replaced by n plus k. So that means which is true for n is equal to k plus 1. N is equal to k plus 1. First we have which is true for n is equal to 1, which is true for n is equal to k, and which is true for n is equal to k plus 1. By mathematical induction, hence the proof. Hence the proof. Thank you.